Hi guys, so I'm looking at your point of view statements and I'm seeing that they vary quite a bit in quality. So for example, Maggie has that people need better food and nutrition and that the problem is they don't have enough money to buy food. This is important because the lack of money is going to be an issue when we talk about buying seeds. I noticed that you guys had seeds you wanted to buy for 70 cents a packet. Is that economically feasible? Is that possible for people in this country? Some of these, countries have people living on, $1 a day or less. So you need to think about that. And then this one also is about money, right? And then Ethan, you need to read what you write because this is just, I don't know what you're trying to say there. And then Kaitlin, you really don't address what's causing the hunger. Is it also a lack of funds or is it something else? Okay, so looking at your prototype, it is obvious what this looks like, but you need to label it. What's holding up these water bottles, and what plants are we planning on growing? I see that you've got corn here, which is a very tall plant. I don't know that this is going to work in these bottles. Corn is a very nutritious plant, but maybe you want to look into a better crop because I don't think corn is going to grow very well in this bottle setup. Also, like I said before, you're saying that they can afford to buy this seed. Is that a fact or are you just making that up? You really need to think about that. What's readily available in your countries? What's the cheapest, most nutritionally advantageous seed that you can grow in each of your countries? Okay, so the opening sentence here of your explanation makes this claim that you're going to meet the needs of your users because the prototype helps provide people with their food for little to no costs. You need to back that statement up. And you need to know what is the average annual income of a typical family and what percentage of the income is going to have to go to these seeds. And then you talked about the fact that people aren't getting enough nutrition right now. How does this system help? Why can't they just grow food in the ground? Why can't they just grow food in a normal way? What's the advantage of the soda bottle or water bottle? And why is this going to supply enough food, but just doing it regularly doesn't? That's kind of missing from your explanation here. So overall, you guys got a 19 out of 25. You need more supporting details. You need a clearer vision of what it is that this product's going to do for your families. And I took some issue with your presentation because you really need to proofread and look at how your writing comes across before you submit your work. If you guys want to resubmit, you can do that. Just send me an emailed updated version and I will look at that. And then if you have any questions, you can ask me in class. See you then.